Business process automation is transforming organizational operations with ease to do more with less while scaling in alignment with business growth. So automation is turning outdated processes into automated ones. There are many tools used to automate most tasks: PA, Zapier, IFT, KissFlow, etc. Microsoft Power Automate is all about automation. In very simple words, it's a tool that allows you to automate any task or process. Tasks can interact with different people or events. Consider invoice payment. We don't want a payment is in million. Power Automate flow control of your desktop, then can control mouse, access files, backup, etc. Business user how to use Office 365. IT professionals create automated business processes using PA no-code/low-code platform. Types of flows: instant triggered on button click, automated triggered with an event. Scheduled triggered on the scheduled time, and mostly it is recurring UI triggered by a button click or an event or specific recurring time. Power Automate templates. In this video, I will be demonstrating to send an email to a distribution list or group in MS Flow. Send emails a DL using MS Flow. A process of sending out emails using Flow caused a bit of confusion. MS Flow is replacing SharePoint as limitations include that it cannot be shared, the access type is not available, the document library is missing, and last but not least, it cannot be restored once deleted. In an Office 365 group, all features of a distribution list are available. To convert to an Office 365 group without data loss or hampering end users. How to send an email to a distribution list/group in MS Flow. Log into MS Flow and create new instant from blank. Log into MS Flow. In my case, I skipped the intro and selected SharePoint. Down the page, select SharePoint. Select item created or modified under action by targeting SP sites and list. Click on New Actions and select Office 365. After making all the changes, Save option. Create one item or modify the existing item targeted. The SharePoint option. How to send an email. In this video, how to generate Word template using Power Automate with backend as SharePoint. How to add repeating controller and plain text content controller in Word document. Navigate to your SP site and create SP2 SP lists. Open MS Word document. Click on Developer in ribbon toolbar. Developer is not available. Then click File, select Options, click Customize ribbon and select Developer and click OK. Click Insert and select ID. Then click on Developer ribbon tab at the top. Select Plain Text Content Controller. Title column. Click Properties. It will open pop-up. Enter title and tag. Add a repeating content controller. Click on Properties. Provide tag and title for repeating table. Create a new table for one SP and add title, age, and mobile number. Add a single line of text value as well. Save the file in SP site. Record gets created. Select New Flow. Instant Cloud Flow. Select SP search for get item, add SP site to list name. To populate a Microsoft name, select locations. In this video, how to send an email on a button click event in Power Apps through MS Flow. Create a button on the item details view screen. Create a flow for sending an email with parameters on Power Apps. Button trigger. Pass the required parameter values on button click in Power Apps. Publish the app and click the button whenever you want to send an email. I have created a sample list here with the following 2 columns and data. Create an app with name Hello Cremons. Add a button for sending the mail on clicking as below. Procedure for adding a button. Click on button under insert. Then name the button on text property as you want, where I'm naming it as run flow. The resulting screen is shown below. Create a flow on the button click on button. How to trigger flows email on button click in Power Apps. PA icon on the right side. The data window appears. Add flow. It will open a pop and click create a new flow on it. It will take you to the flow. The subject and body are passing from Power Apps. After saving the flow, add the button. To subject and body, the app is above. Save the app, publish and send to email on click. This video showing to create flows, trigger Power Apps, pass the dynamic value. In this video, it looks like a choice column, displaying multiple options usually in a drop-down for the user to choose from. But unlike a choice column, In a SharePoint list lookup column, these displayed choices are retrieved from another list. You can establish a connection between two lists by using the lookup column in a SP list. You have a list of the departments and employees. The employee list can have a lookup column that points to the departments list. Build a SharePoint list. Employee name, date of birth, designation. You must first log into SP and visit your group. Create another list named department and add employee ID lookup column, employee list, employee ID and employee list. Name of the department, head of department. Lookup columns in SharePoint can be used to filter, sort, select data by allowing users to search for and display data from a related list based on specific criteria, which can help streamline data retrieval and analysis processes. By leveraging the power of lookup columns, organizations can unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity in their data management process.